Random likes bok choy. Hello, Skeeter. Hello, you two. Hello, Patchouli girl. Hello, Skittles. Noisy out here, isn't it? I got sick of finding them in all sorts of high places, so I clipped all their wings. All of them. Chicks are all eating quite well. As you can see, little Random here. Random is heavily into the corn, and she's got mashed egg all over her beak. They're all hungry. At least they all think they're hungry. Hello, Skeets. Skeeter particularly likes biscuits. And Babylon is scared of my thumbs. I had a bat manicure. See? Now watch. Look at the body language. Well, at least he's actually eating near it now. He won't let me hand feed him anything anymore. Hello, Skeeter. Hello, Patchouli girl. Skittles. They're still plucking your back, aren't they? Skittles is pretty fond of the corn too. Skeeter eating the biscuits. I tie the biscuits up in some bridal tulle. That way when they take a bite out of the biscuits, they don't drop the biscuit, they get more of it, they get all the crumbs as well. They just chew holes in the tulle. Hello, Arky.